T U V W X Y Z. X Y Z. Sugar on your bread. And if you don't like it, better get to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me and I will teach you A, B, and C. That's nice. Okay, now let's do the rhyming words first. Okay, now look at this rhyming words. Fine. Now what you have to do is, there are the words over here. Fine, 3-letter words with vowel E. Okay, now read the word. This is W-E-T, wet. D-E-N, den. L-E-T, let. P-E-N, pen. And B-E-D, bed. Now these are the 5 words. Now look at the last sound, last letter, and see the sound like met, met. Now et. So this is met. Now what you have to do is, here are the pictures on the other side. Okay, and they are up and down. They are not in the correct series form. You have to recognize the word, okay, which is the rhyming word of this word. Like now, for example, I'll tell you one. Now this is W-E-T, wet. Now look at the picture. Where is the wet in the picture? Now who is wet here? Now look at this first picture. Is this wet?
No.
Is this wet?
No.
Is this wet? Is this wet? No.
No.
Wet?
Yes.
This is a wet? See properly?
No.
No. So is this a wet?
Yes.
Yes. So what we are going to do is, we'll remove this red from here and we are going to put this wet here. So this is okay. Right? So this is how you have to do this. Right? Now this is met. So what is the rhyming word of met? The rhyming word of met is wet. Okay, this is how it's going to be. Understood? Yes? Are we going to do this? Okay. Now look at the second one. This is den. Now look at the pictures over here. Which is the rhyming picture of this? Come on. Den ka rhyming word. Come on. Who is going to tell me? What? Hen. So I'm going to remove this net from here and I'll put the hen here. Okay, because then hen. Okay, so what is the spelling of hen? Come on, tell me the spelling of hen.
H-E-N.
H-E-N. This is how it goes. Okay. Now, who is going to tell me? Who is going to read the word?
Let.
Let. So what is the rhyming word of let? Come on. Net. Correct. So 10 from here. Match net here. And the spelling here. Okay. This is how it goes. Now, look at this. Read this. Read. Come on.
Speak.
Pen.
Pen. What is the rhyming word for pen?
Pen का rhyming word क्या है?
10. So,
Pen.
10. So, I'm going to write the spelling here.
Get wrong.
10. Now, come on. Read this. Bed. So, what is the rhyming word for bed?
Red.
Bed. So, I'm going to write here.
Bed red.
Okay. So, these are rhyming words with the pictures. Now, I'm going to send the activity for this. Okay. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to do fill in the blanks. What are we going to do? Fill in the blanks. So what you have to do is you have to read, and there is a blank over there. So you have to look at the picture, recognize the picture. We are going to write over here the letter. Okay. Now I want you all to do that. Come on, let's read. Let's P-H.
Okay. Hen.
Come on. The hen.
Hen to speak. The spelling.
The
Sundar.
hen.
काय केलं बघ?
Read this. Is in a, what is this?
काय?
Pen. Okay, let's read again. Let's read again. The pen
Hen.
is in a pen. Okay, now let's read the another one. Okay, here. Yes. 10. So what will come in the blank? 10. Okay. 10. What is this? What is this picture? Which picture is this? Who is there in the picture? 10. Who are these? ये कौन है? Correct. Men. M-A-N. Men. Okay. The 10 men. What is this? What is this? C. Yes. The. This is. Okay. This is a hen. But how is the hen? It is wet. नीचे पानी है. Can you see this? There's the water over here, and these are the drops. So how is the hen? The hen is wet. गीली है. So what you will see? 10 men see the hen. Yes. So this is what we did is fill in the blanks. Now here is the blank. You have to see the picture, recognize the picture, and you have to fill the correct. 10 men see the wet hen. Very good. That's nice. Now what are we going to do? Fill in. Now we are going to do copywriting. Okay, let's do the copywriting. Now today we will learn the new topic that is called copywriting. Right? Okay.
Meera teacher, they all have to have the books and everything for copywriting.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Are you all ready? Are you all ready with your red and blue line notebook? Right? You all are ready?
Pencil. Everybody, Atharva, show me your book and pencil, everybody. Yes, I can see Riyansh, I can see Shavi. Abhi, do you have your book and pencil with you? Sophia, you have no bacha? Yes, I can see. Vedant.
Everybody's.
Yes.
Everybody's got. Yes.
And after you write, I want to see it, okay? You're going to show it to us. Yes. Okay, Munira teacher, ask them. Are we ready? Thumbs up. Show me thumbs up if you're ready.
Yes. Show your thumbs up. Very good. I could see Chirag's thumbs up. Sharwari's thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Chalo.
Okay. Now, how are we going to write the sentences? Today we are going to learn to write the sentences. Okay. So how you have to write, how to copy from the blackboard. Okay. Now, first thing is always start the first letter of the word with in a capital. Okay. Other letters has to be small, but the start of the sentence always has to be in capital. So let's write.
Corner, Munira, from
Yeah.
from left to right, right?
Right. Yes, from left to right. And the first word we have to write is, now see, I'm writing here, the first word is dad. So first letter is a capital letter. So this is D. Now it has to, so sorry, you have to start from the pink line. I'm sorry, red line. I'm sorry. I made a mistake because I couldn't see from where. Okay, now start from the red line, touch the blue line.
Everybody
Start from the red line, touch the blue line. Yes. And
dot.
then,
D. Capital D.
yes,
Write capital D.
yes, capital D, dad. We have to write the spelling dad. Then A you will write in the middle of the blue line. Two blue lines. You have to write A in the middle of the two blue lines.
Okay, Sophia. Sophia, are you getting it? Show me thumbs up. Yes. Okay, who's writing it? Everybody, come on. Shravi, write. Riyansh, are you writing it? Abhi? Yes. Okay. Swaraj and Arvind,
Okay.
no problem.
Okay, they're writing.
Writing it.
Okay, and yes, now and then again D, the add, again the D will come, but D is a tall letter. Tall letter means which touches the upper red line. जो ऊपर का red line है उसको जब touch करता है, that is called tall letter.
Yes.
This is a tall letter. D is a tall letter.
And this
You
is,
have to touch the,
yeah, the adders one word, space and write.
this is,
It together.
yes. Yeah. Now you have to take your two fingers, keep the gap, keep the space between two, with the two fingers, and then write the second word.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is, dad is a one word.
Yes.
Now keep two finger distance and then write the second word. The second word may the first letter is has. See here you cannot write H capital. See, only the start of the sentence you have to write D as a capital. Only first letter has to be, when you are writing the sentence, the second word will not be in capital. Now this is H. H is also a tall letter. See now between these two lines, you have to write this H like this and the line will touch the red line. This is H. Okay? Her, then A, and then
So,
A and S are small letters. H is a tall letter. Okay, here D is a tall letter. Dad has again two fingers, space, sorry, and then write letter A.
wow.
See,
Writing sentence.
your no word. You have to say a. So dad has a. Now down. Go on because there is no space here.
If you have space, they can
Second line.
continue, teacher.
What, ma'am? Sorry.
Space, they can continue.
Yes. You have to leave the two finger space and there is no space here. So go on the second line. Next line. So what is the spelling?
Please let them.
Dad. Yes.
If they have space, let them continue.
Yeah. If you all have space in a notebook, then you can leave two lines and then continue. Okay. And go on the next line if you all don't have space and write the letter L. And again, L is also a tall letter. This is a tall letter which touches the red line. Upar. Okay. And you have to write, always write the letters between two blue lines. Okay. Always between two blue lines. So the next word is lad. L, A, and D. D again, it is going to be tall letter.
Wow. Come on, come on. Who's written the whole sentence? Show me on the screen.
And you have to give the full.
Yes, full stop. Begin with a capital, end with a full stop. Come on, show me who's written. Can you show me?
Okay.
Close
Dad,
screen. I can't read. Yes.
very good.
Very good. Very nice. I can see Sharvari. Very nice. Chirag. Very good. Tanishka. Very good. Excellent. Tanishka is written. Swaraj. Good. Still improve your writing, bacha. Nitya. Very nice. And Swara Janardhan is doing it. Aswara Abang. Yes. Very good. Safia. Very good. Safia. Very nice. Atharva. Very good. Vedant, have you finished? And Shreyas, you are not supposed to write. You are lower KG. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Chalo.
Very good. Okay. Today we will write only one sentence.
One.
So that we can have.
Sentence. Who's Tanishka? Can you read your sentence? Safia, can you read what you have written? Safia, can you read? Tanishka, can you read? Come on, read and tell me. Come on, Tanishka, read what you have written. Come on, everybody read. Sharvari, read. Sharvari, read. Yes, Shravi is reading. Safia, unmute yourself, bacha. Chirag, read.
Read. Chirag, read.
Very good. Yes, very good.
Safia, read one by one. Safia, read.
Lad. Very
Safia. Sentence. Very good. Very good. Yes. Munira teacher, please unmute yourself. Okay.
okay. Now let's do the dictation. Let's do dictation words.
Wow. You can copy these sentences, okay? Any sentence you want to copy now, you can copy sentence in your book, okay? Yes. Munira teacher will give you now. Dictation.
Are
Lovely.
you all ready for dictation?
Show me a thumb.
Yes.
Everybody show me a thumbs up. Who's ready for dictation? Show me a thumbs up. Yeah.
Very good.
And you
Very good.
write your word, okay? You're going to put tick and you're going to put wrong if it is wrong. Okay, I'm watching. No cheating.
Okay. And now I'm going to put the picture over here. You have to recognize the picture and write the word. Okay. Now the picture here is. Look at this picture and tell me what is this.
Come on, write the word in your book. Closer, not scattered.
Go and
Come on, write. Mute yourself. Don't say. This dictation.
The dictation, you have to write. You have to correct yourself.
Okay. Done.
Show me on the screen. Everybody show me. I can see Meet also very good. Good. I want better. Atharva good. Writing is neat. Okay. And where is Safia is there? Yes, Safia, have you written? Swaraj, लिखा आपने? दिखाओ मुझे. Very good, Atharva. Yes.
Okay, are they done?
Yes. Everybody is up. Come on, tick. Everybody make a tick. Right. Come on, right.
Very good. That's nice.
Second.
I'm going to give second word.
Yes.
Look at this and tell me what is this called? Who is this?
Come on. No saying. Your friends will know. You write it and show me. Tanishka, I can't see, bacha. Put it closer to. Oh, very good, Abir. Excellent. Neat, excellent. Then who's writing it? Shravi, have you written? Show me. Chirag, very good. Safia, very good. Safia.
Red.
Shravi, anybody know this word? This picture? Very. I can see Riyansh also. I can see Tanishka's also. Yes, lovely. Atharva, very good. Everybody. Swaraj ka bhi khali book dikhta. I can't see the words, bacha. Little closer. Vedant, show me. Yes, Vedansh, it is. I can't see. It's too dark, bacha. I can't see. Aswara, even yours is too light. Okay, never. Everybody's written law and the. Give a tick.
Red.
Very good. Very good. So now next word. Next word. Look at this picture and tell me what is this.
Ah, lovely. I know it. Come on, write it, write it. Write the spelling, write the spelling. What is that? And then
Crab.
no, no, yes.
Teacher.
Very good, Meet. Very good. Very good, Chirag. Very good, Satya. Very fast, Satya. Tanishka, show me. It is wrong, bacha. No, it's wrong. Tanishka is wrong. Come on. Again, redo. Yes, Riyan, show me. Riyansh, I can't read it properly, bacha. Hold it properly. Swara, very good. I can read. Nitya, yes, I can read. Very good, Nitya. Come on. Very good, Vedant. But your writing is going crooked. It should be in one line. Next time, take red and blue line book, not plain paper. Yes.
Okay, done. Should I give you the next word?
Yes.
मला पण कळत नाही काय.
Now look at this one. Look at this picture. And tell me what is this?
Okay, now what?
Which picture is this? What is there in the picture? Come on, very good. Very good. Come on, everybody write.
Spelling of map. Come on, write the spelling. Swara, are you getting it? Janardhan? Nitya? Who's written first? Abir is writing very fast. Very good, Abir.
Teacher, but finish.
Fast, super fast, Safia. Very good. Thumbs up.
Teacher,
Who's that? Meet? Yes.
ma'am, I'm done.
Very good. Very good. Very nice. Yes.
Come on, who else?
Teacher, I'm done.
Yes, I saw, bacha. Okay. Very good. Riyansh?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Riyansh is very light, but I can read more upper. Chirag, very good. Chalo. Okay. Everybody
Okay.
done it? Atharva, you wrote?
This is the last word.
Yes, Atharva. Very good. I can read it. Yeah. Last
Come on.
Chalo, Chirag, good. Yes,
Tell
last
me what is in the picture? What is this called?
Come on. Socho. Abhi, don't ask Mama, huh? I can see.
Yeah.
Very good. Come on.
Okay, come on. Rag. Write the spelling of rag. Chirag, you wrote? Very good. Chirag is first.
Yeah.
Abhi, are you thinking? Meet, very good. I can see it. Swara Bang, very good. Nitya, very good. Ro,
Ma'am, I'm done.
Shravi,
Very good.
show me. Shravi, show me. Yes, Shravi, I can read it. Yes. Thoda faint hai, but I can read. Tanishka, I can read it very well. Very good. Yes. I know it's very difficult to adjust. Vedansh, good. Good, Vedansh. Okay, chalo. Atharva, little closer, bacha. I can't see. Yes. Okay, never mind.
Okay. Now here they are done with the 5 words of the dictation.
Yes.
Okay. Do we have time to show them the video or?
Meera teacher, we have time. We can show them the video.
Okay, fine. I'll just show them the video.
So no, first we clap for everybody. Clap for yourself. All right. Who's got all right?
Who's got all right? Yes, everybody clap. Smart children will have become, okay? And Hussein is also learning with us. Very good, Hussein. You can come and join us if you want to, okay? This is all the lower KG children. No problem. Okay, chalo. Let's clap for everybody. Thumbs up for everybody. And now we have the video. Yes.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, Lubana ma'am.
So it's time to do exercise? Yeah.
Yes.
Lubaina ma'am, you're on mute.
Put the music. Come on, quickly. Upper KG children have, you all have done a lot of work today. So go and drink water. Come on, everybody. Drink water and take one round and come again for the session. Come on. We can have some music by the time many kids are joining.
Lakes, lagoons, and sandy banks are places where I camp. I honk to you, I click and clack too. I'm a great flamingo, that's how I say hello. I eat fish and crabs, algae and snails I grab. My food is what turns me pink. It's the carotenoid, I think. I honk to you, I click and clack too. I'm a great flamingo, that's how I say hello. My chicks stay in crush where it's clean and fresh. I can always spot their call from thousands of chicks in all. I honk to you, I click and clack too. I'm a great flamingo, that's how I say